Okay, let's start example 5.6. The job search company is studying the salary of civil engineers in Malaysia. A random sample of 256 civil engineering reveals a mean monthly salary of 4,520 and a standard deviation of 205. So this one is bar, this one is our n, and then this one is our standard deviation. Determine the 95% confidence interval. So we know that 95% confidence interval, our set value is 1.96. Okay, so just substitute the value inside this formula. So you will get this value. Okay, and then actually you need to solve this part either plus or minus. Okay, so therefore the 95% confidence interval is between this range. Okay, if you plus 25.11, so you get this value, and then if you minus 25.11, so you will get this value. So the confidence interval is between this range. Okay, from 4,494.89 until 4,545.11. Okay, so we can be 95% confident that the population mean lies within this range. So make sure for confidence interval you should have a result lah. Okay, conclusion. Mesti ada. Okay, so we say that this is the confidence limit. Okay, what does the confidence interval tell us? If we were to select many more samples of 256 civil engineering and construct the confidence interval for each sample, so 95% of this confidence interval will contain the population mean. Okay, so this is our confidence interval lah, between this range. So we say that 95% of this confidence interval will contain the population mean. So ini adalah sebenarnya population mean lah yang saya tadi. Okay, next example. The standard deviation of the time to failure of an electronic component is estimated as 100 hours. Okay, so this is our standard deviation. Determine how large a sample of this component must be in order 90% confidence. Okay, so ni nak sample size. How many sample size? Okay, if our confidence interval is 90%. Okay, so if our confidence interval is 90%, so our Z is 1.65. Okay. Okay, and then error in the estimate time to failure will not exceed 20 hours. Okay, so actually okay, so ini adalah sebenarnya error lah. Okay, so dia nak not exceed 20 hours. So maximum is 20 hours. Okay, now focus on this part because we want to find the value of sample size. Okay, so since this one is Z as divided by Z n equal to 20, substitute the value of Z and also S. Okay, and then from this part, simplify, or you can arrange this part. So you akan dapat, okay, so since this one is third, so you want to remove this part, so you need to square both parts. Okay, both sides you can square kan, so you get the value 67.7. Okay, since this one is sample, so should be whole number, so round off this value, so you get 66. at least 68 components are required to be 90% confident that the error will not exceed 20 hours.